Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will show you how to make delicious caramel rice kheer. First, let's gather our essential ingredients. You'll need 1/2 cup of basmati rice, soaked for about 30 minutes, and 4 cups of whole milk for that creamy texture. Don't forget 1/2 cup of granulated sugar, 1/4 cup of water, and a pinch of aromatic cardamom powder. A few saffron strands and 2 tablespoons of ghee will elevate the flavor, along with some chopped. Now let's create that signature caramel. In a heavy-bottomed pan, combine 1/2 cup of granulated sugar with 1/4 cup of water. Cook this over medium heat, resisting the urge to stir. Watch as it transforms into a beautiful golden brown liquid. Gently swirl the pan to ensure even caramelization. This step is crucial for the kheer's unique flavor, so be mindful not to let it burn, which would make it bitter. Now let's get baking. First, preheat your oven to 375 degrees Fahrenheit. In a medium bowl, gently combine the thoroughly drained fruit cocktail with your sugar, flour, and lemon juice mixture. Stir until everything is well coated. Carefully pour this delicious fruit filling into your prepared pie crust, spreading it evenly. For an extra touch of richness, dot the top of the filling with about 2 tablespoons of small butter pieces. Almost there. For the finishing touches, stir in your pinch of cardamom powder and the delicate saffron strands. These add a wonderful aroma. Now, incorporate 2 tablespoons of ghee, which will lend a beautiful richness and a lovely glossy sheen to your kheer. Continue cooking for just about 5 more minutes, allowing all those incredible flavors to meld together perfectly. Finally, garnish your exquisite caramel rice kheer with chopped nuts and serve it warm or delightfully chilled. Enjoy!
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.